Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be starting a new module called Setting Up Your Slack, which we'll be covering in this video. Covering joining a workspace, editing your profile and managing notifications. Editing your profile and managing notifications are very important parts, so pay close attention to them. Almost everyone I know has faced problems with managing notifications. I'll teach you how you can manage them. So this is how you can create a channel. This is my Slack workspace. I'll go here to add channels, then I'll click on create a new channel. Now let's say I want to name this test 1. In this, you can write any message. So I'll write test course. This is for my team to know what. Now there are two types of channel. One is a private channel and one is a public channel. In public channels, anyone can content without even joining. And in a private channel, the person will not be able to see that person. So I'll teach you how to make both types of channels. So this is how you can create a public channel. So I'll switch this off for now. This is how you create a public channel. Now I'll teach you how to create a private one. So I'll name this test 1 and in the description I'll write test. I'll create a private channel. So now pay close attention to this because a private channel cannot be converted back to a public one. So now it will give me an option to add a person here, or I can even skip it for now and add a person later to the channel. But for now, let's just add a person. This is how you can add a team member to a private channel. If you create a private channel, no one will be able to view it unless you add them to it. In the next video, I'll be covering how you can join a public workspace.